So, what's up, Mr. Goblin? I think what's on your head is scarier than you yourself.
Yes, come close.
I don't want to come close. Look what you have on your head. Yeah, I'm gonna watch my step.
The next I collect.
I wouldn't be laughing if I were you, because you got all that on your head. Look, it's smearing down the side. Okay, Mr. Goblin. I can't do Oogie Boogie because it gives me a copyright claim, and I don't want that on my channel. Because last time I uploaded Oogie Boogie, even in the store tour, it gave me a copyright claim. But we all know what he does. If you don't, you can search it up on YouTube. I'm sure other people have a video. I actually have a video on my channel. Check it out. But he's right here. We're going to pretend like he's singing. There you go. He's saying... We got the little pumpkin twins down here. They're really cute. I love them. Better than last year's in my opinion, but I still don't think they're a buy for me though. The voice is really obnoxious too, but I still like it. I like hers, not much of his. I'm not even gonna turn them off, they're pretty quiet. We got the witch over here on this side, and the little dolls right here.
Little ones, I have a treat for you.
We also have Face the Scarecrow set up. I do have the original Flaming Scarecrow, like I keep saying in these videos, so I will not get him this year. He's growing on me. Every time I say that, he's like, it just grows on me. But I already have Flaming, and he has the same exact audio. I really don't need another one, but he is cool for the way he looks. If he had a different phrase, then I'd probably get him, but since it's the same now. And he doesn't want to work. There he goes.
Hiding in the fields. Time to run. I hear them coming.
We got some tombstones down here. Look at them. I'm not gonna walk in here. Actually, I am. I don't care. Okay, we got some tombstones down here. We got like a cross and then normal tombstones. We got more tombstones right up here. Here lies Nida Coffin. Oh, okay. Here lies Rest in Peace Dead Fred. Here lies Dead Fred. We have the ghost twins right here in all their glory. They have their try-me on them. Doesn't look like they have a try-me on them. Oh, it just went on. What about this one? No, but that one's still really cool. Let's go ahead and check out what we have over here. Here is all the display boxes. You can see there's nothing in them. Faceless Scarecrow, Oogie Boogie, inflatables, the witch. Behind us we have all the pumpkins. Big blow mold pumpkins. Really awesome. I love the rotting one, not the rotting one, the flaming ones. I do like the rotting ones too. They don't have the pumpkins I saw at Home Depot yesterday that are really cool, but they do have all these, and these are cool. I don't think I've seen this one yet before, or this one. Try me. I'm sure I can just switch it on now. This is so hard to get. I'm struggling. Nope. I guess this one doesn't want to work for us. We got this one. It does something. Doesn't want to work for us yet. Doesn't want to work for us either. We got Nightmare Before Christmas pumpkins. We got a spider inflatable right up here. Let's go ahead and check out our animated plushes and some other stuff. These little Jack Skellington lights, they're really cool. We got Talking Raven down here. I can see him. Look at him. I love him.
Beware! No one goes there!
I had the one that was on a skull. I don't have it anymore. I definitely want to get one of those though. Eventually I'll get one. I don't know when. Here's the clown on the bike. I really don't like this dog, but it's still something. We have the Scare Bear. I keep calling it the Scare Bear. It's the Scary Bear. I feel like the Scare Bear sounds better though. Its mouth didn't open all the way, but that's okay. Doesn't look like we have any of the Haunted Mansion ones. I want to get one of those. For sure, when I find one, I'm going to get it. I know I say I'm going to buy a bunch of stuff, but for sure, when I find one of those, I'm going to pick it up. Here's all the lights we have in all their glory. You can just take a look at them. I don't really want to go over all of them because I went over all of them yesterday. And look, we got some pathway markers. Werewolves. There's the animated witch dancing one. And we have Jack.
There's got to be a logical way to explain this Christmas thing. Interesting reaction.
Fog juice right here. I didn't know that 3-foot Jack was $50. It's because it's Disney, that's why. And then the doll and the witch are 40. It's only, this one's only 50 because it's Disney. And Disney's extremely overpriced. We got some tether stakes. We have a fall timer. I want to get one of these this year as well, for sure, sometime. I love petting it. It's so soft, like an actual dog or a rug. We got some goblins and stuff. I wonder how many goblins we have in stock. I'm gonna put in the phone for a second. Looks like we have 4 in stock. Okay. We got the crawling skeleton. Here's all the inflatables we got. It keeps unfocusing. Okay. Here are a bunch of skeletons. Here we got the cat, we got the fish. Well, it's not gonna demo them. Pretty much everyone knows what they do. We got a bunch of scarecrows. Hello, scarecrow that's in my way. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. No, don't fall. We'll cry. We got a bunch of hay, and then on the opposite side here, we have some skeletons. Just light their eyes up. All of them just light their eyes up. I don't really need to go through them all. Here's some more tombstones I didn't go over. 2 right there. Okay, coming back around, that is wrapping everything up. Look, we have signs up here that I didn't show yet. We have signs over there. I'm gonna zoom in on them so you can see them. Nice. Okay, we have these fall signs. And we also have these. Ghost, pumpkin, and cats. Okay, I think that is it for right now. More Home Depot videos coming soon. Just stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.